This is Scratch Video 4B, an extension for the maze video. To make it a little bit more difficult, we're going to add an enemy that bounces around the screen. So you should have your maze game open. If you don't, click the folder up here and then click on your maze game to load it. You then want to press C inside to actually edit it. So I'm going to add an enemy that bounces around the screen, very similar to the bouncing ball that we did in video 2. So I want a new sprite. I'm going to go to choose a sprite, and let's go into animals again, and let's have a lion. So my lion's a bit big, let's change the size of the lion to 35. Now I want the lion to bounce around the screen, so exactly like the bouncing ball, go to events, when green flag clicked, we'll get it to start in the centre of the screen, so we shall go to, we'll do 0, 0. And then we want forever motion move 10 steps, and if it touches the edge of the screen we want it to bounce. So let's see what that does. Okay, just like the bouncing ball, it would be better if it moved at a different angle, so I'm going to change this to, we'll try 130. Okay. Now we want the hedgehog to get sent back to the start when it touches the lion, just like when it touches the white of the walls. So I'm going to click on my hedgehog. I want to duplicate this code, so that's right click and then duplicate. We don't need to go to at the start because we've already got it here, so I'm going to detach forever, get rid of that, reattach forever. Instead of touching colour white, we want touching the lion, so I'm going to get rid of touching colour white, go back into sensing, and this time bring across touching mouse pointer and change it to lion. So now if the hedgehog touches the lion, it's going to go back to the start, it's going to scream and it's going to say oh no. So let's check if that works. That works. Okay, you can mess around with making the lion go faster by changing move 10 steps, or make it go slower, and you can add multiple enemies if you want. You can just duplicate the lion and change its costume.